Welcome to part 3 of this video. We are doing supplementary book Moments, class 9th, and the chapter is The Happy Prince. Now in this video we shall deal with the questions given at the back of the lesson. Page 36. Think about it. First question is, why do the courtiers call the prince the happy prince? Is he really happy? What does he see all around him? The answer is, he was a prince when he was alive. Being a prince, he never knew sorrow and suffering. So the courtiers called him the happy prince. But he was not happy in the real sense, as his heart could feel the misery of needy people. He saw the miserable conditions of people around him. Next question is, why does the happy prince send a ruby for the seamstress? What does the swallow do in the seamstress's house? The answer, the seamstress was tired due to overwork. She was so poor that she could not buy oranges for her little sick son. Her son was thirsty. The happy prince saw the poor lady and her son. He felt pity for them. So he sent a ruby for her. The swallow came to the poor woman's house and laid the ruby on the table beside her. The bird fanned the boy's forehead with wings and flew back to the happy prince. The third question is, for whom does the prince send the sapphires and why? The answer, the prince sent the first sapphire to the playwright. The playwright was very poor. He was incapable of buying food and firewood. The prince sent the sapphires for the playwright so that he could finish a play for the director of the theatre in time. The prince sent his second sapphire to a poor match girl. Her matches had fallen into the gutter. She was afraid that her father would beat her for this loss. So she was helped by this prince by sending her the second sapphire. Next question. What does the swallow see when it flies over the city? The answer, the swallow saw all categories of people. He found the rich making merry in their beautiful houses and beggars begging sitting at the gates. He also saw a group of wandering children who were poverty stricken. The next question, why did the swallow not leave the prince and go to Egypt? The answer, at first, the swallow was willing to go to Egypt just after discharging his duty properly. But when he saw Prince's activities of charity and kindness, he got impressed. On the other hand, now the happy prince had become totally blind due to the deeds of charity. In this condition, he could not leave the prince helpless. He left the idea of going to Egypt and decided to serve the prince. The last question, what are the precious things mentioned in the story? Why are they precious? And the answer is, the leaden heart of the happy prince and the dead swallow are the two precious things mentioned in the story. They are precious as they did various deeds for the welfare of people and sacrificed their lives for the sake of others. This was the exercise given at the end of the chapter. Hope you have enjoyed learning with me. Meet you in next video. Bye. Take care. Thank you.